question of exercise 12.1. The triangular side walls of a flyover have been used for advertisement. These walls have been used for advertisements. The sides of the wall are 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter. The advertisements yield an earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square. Advertisement yield an earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. A company hired one of its walls. For 3 months. How much rent did it pay? It means we have to find rent payable by company for 3 months. Now first of all, we have to find area of this triangular wall by using Heron's formula. Therefore, A here, A equal to 122 meter, put A equal to 122 meter, B equal to 120 meter and C equal to 22 meter. Now by using Heron's formula, find the area of this triangular wall. Area of triangular wall equal to under root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. First of all, you have to find value of S. S means S equal to semi-perimeter means A plus B plus C divided by 2. 122 plus 120 plus 22 divided by 2. Now add all these terms. Sum will equal to 264. Now divided by 2. Semi-perimeter will equal to 132 meter. Now we have to put value of S, A, B, C under this square root. Area will equal to 132. 132 minus 122. 132 minus 120 and 132 minus 22. Now simplify it. By simplifying, we will get 132 minus 122. It will equal to 10. 132 minus 120. It will equal to 12. 132 minus 22. It will equal to 110. Now do prime factors of 132. Reduce it in lowest form. Prime factors of 132 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 11. Now prime factors of 10, it will equal to 2 into 5. Now do prime factors of 12, it will equal to 2 into 2 into 3. Now do prime factors of 110, it will equal to 2 into 5 into 11. Now in next step we have make the pair of like terms, like numbers and bring out it from the square root. Now make next pair. Next pair 11 into 11. Bring out it from the square root and next. Now 5 partner is here. Next one, these two, we have to make pair of like numbers. Now these are the square root of given numbers. Now multiply all these numbers. After multiplying, product will equal to 1320. Unit is meter, meter square. Therefore, area of this triangular wall equal to 1320 meters square. Now area of triangular wall equal to 1320 meters square. Now the next part of this question. The advertisements yield an earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. A company hired one of its walls for 3 months. How much rent did it pay? Here rent of 1 meter square of the wall for 1 year equal to rupees 5,000 is given, and we know that 1 year equal to 12 months. One year equal to 12 months. It means rent of 1 meter square of the wall for 12 months equal to rupees 5,000 is given. Now rent of 1 meter square of the wall for 1 month will equal to 5,000 by 12. Next line. Rent of 1 meter square of the wall for 3 months will equal to 5,000 divided by 12 into 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 4 ja 12. In next line you have to write rent of 1 meter square of the wall for 3 months equal to 5,000 by 4 rupees. Now we have to find rent of 1320 meters square for 3 months. Now rent of 1320 meters square of the wall for 3 months equal to 5,000 by 4 into 1320. Now convert it in lowest form or simplify it. Now multiply 5,000 and 330. Then product will equal to 16,50,000 rupees. It means rent of 1,320 meters square equal to 16,50,000 rupees.